No. No, don't eat it. Don't eat it. Don't eat it, Mama. This is garlic that I cooked with. No. Pizza. So guys, my afano stew is ready. Look at that. It's giving me that Niger look of stew. That Niger kind of stew. So that's why I'm loving it. Yeah, I'm loving it. It's ready. Rishi is plenty. Yeah, I tried Sha, and it is so delicious. Trust me now. I can't see the one. So I tried. I have to off. Yeah, and as well close. Guys, you see this tree last week, this tree you're looking at now, this tree, yeah, I said last week, this tree you're looking at now is filled with fruit, and it was green, and the fruit was just looking fresh. But today, no more Sammy this. Here we are. I am my baby girl. Here we are. I can't go without you, Mama. I can't go without you, okay? You don't need to cry. Let's go. Easy, easy, easy. I came here, I'm looking for this. So it's not available. It's available, but they don't have it here. So I have to tell them, and they said I should wait so that they can bring it out from the stock. Oh, these ones are article that they removed money. All of them that are here, they removed money. Yeah, see this candy. This one is very big. It's a party. Look at it, party size. It's too much. 740, right? Yeah. And I will soon host. It's for New Year. This one is so beautiful. You can hang it at the door. At the door. Happy New Year. Happy New Year. I'm liking this one. Ooh la la, so beautiful, all of them. You can actually hang this at the door. Happy New Year, Omedeto. This is the price. And this one is cheaper. And it's smaller, Sha. Let's see this one. This one is very fine. Everything is there is fine. They are all beautiful. They are all very fine. Wow. See another one that is beautiful. Wow, wow. See small ones. If you cannot afford those big ones, or if you don't like the big ones, see small ones. And this is the price. Wow, it is good. Sit time. Let's go. Sorry, baby. Look at me and say hi. Okay. Tamaitai. Gomene. So guys, my baby is sick. Kobe is sick. Kobe, say hi. My baby is sick and he's running temperature actually. But come. Ha, this small one say make I no keep him down. He's running temperature since last night and he's just chilling with his favorite man, Blippi. Yeah, Kobe likes Blippi so well. Yeah. And I just finished checking his temperature anyway, and I keep on checking it actually since today. And I think the last one I checked is kind of, I don't know. Can you see the last one that I checked is should be is out. This is out. So let me check another one so that you guys will see it with me. Beep 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 data. Beep 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 data. You said it's what? So guys, my baby is sick. My baby boy is sick, so we are. I've been checking his temperature. Let me see. What did he read? 37.8 is still high. 0.8 is still high. My baby is sick. He's running temperature and yeah. I've been checking his body temperature as in every 20 minutes, 10 minutes. Let me just I think he's coming down anyway. And his body is also coming down. Let her be. I'll collect it from her. These two children, oh yeah, cover. Take. Leave her. I'll collect it from her. My boy. My baby, how are you this morning?
I'm fine.
Wow. How is your body this morning? Hope you're getting better.
Hey, wait. Where's your head?
It's egg.
Is it egg?
Yeah, baby. Are you watching your Blippi?
Yes.
Wow. You're always watching Blippi.
Emma.
Wow. Mama, this is egg. Oh, see my baby's nose. Bye-bye. Yeah, bye. Catch you. It's like a busy morning in my life. A busy morning. All this is going on this morning here. I just fed her. All this is going on this morning in my life. I don't like washing this. The smell sounds so but to eat it is delicious, but to wash it, I don't like washing it. But I have two of it here. Sugar. I don't like washing this. So guys, meet my stew. My stew is ready. It's giving me that kind of Nigerian stew, assorted stew. I think I tried. I did my best. Oh, the vapor is much because it's still hot. That's why. So it's giving me that kind of Nigerian look of assorted stew, meat stew, and I'm loving it. And it's so delicious. I think I tried. Good job from me.